Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to type text in Droyo. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to click the start button. If this is your first time in Droyo, you will be forwarded in this section we're in. You will be asked, where do you want to save your diagram? You can choose from any of the following options like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, GitHub, and GitLab. And if you want to save your diagrams locally in your computer, just click the device. Or you can click the decide later, and then from here you can choose to create a new diagram or maybe open a new one. I'm gonna click the create new diagram and I'm going to create something from scratch, or you can choose from any of the templates available here in the left side panel or in this section. And once you're done, click the create template. And then you will be loaded to your canvas. Matter of fact, I have already typed in something here on my previous video, but I'm going to show you how. All right, so on the top corner, you see there is an option that says full screen. I want you to click it because it would give you the option to access the toolbox on the left side panel, and of course the format style in the right side. Now, go to the search section wherein type in text, so you can type something here. For example, you have all these. If you click the more results, you might want to use the text here, all right, and add some text that's free flowing from the drop down menu and example. So I'm gonna drag this right here. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger so you guys can see it, all right, and then from here I'm gonna put in edit text here, all right. You can type manually if you wanted. For example, how to type text in Droyo. You can also type in copy and paste if you wanted. All right, you have that. It's kind of like a, let me undo that for now. After typing, you have an option to customize the font color if you want. For example, we're going to be choosing a light green for that. Increase the font style or font size, I'm sorry. You see that? You can hover the control panel here to make it to rapid text. All right. You can use the sketch, the shadow. You have a lot to work with. You can also use the text section right here. You can put in a border color if you want, a shadow. And if for the border color, you can choose from any of the following options here. So after typing in, you can have the option to customize, choose a different font style, Verdana, Times New Roman, Garamond, and Comic Sans. All right, so that's basically how you type in Droyo. It's very easy. Once you're happy, click the file section, click on save. And if you want to share this diagram to maybe your team members or your client, just click the share button. Share this and send the link so they can give feedback, comment to the diagram that you have created by typing in some elements. And then if you want to make a copy of this, a duplicate diagram, click the make a copy and create a diagram and save it to these options again from your cloud storage options. And if you want to export this on file formats, for example, if you want to export it as a PNG, click this. You can choose from any of the following options. Click the export button. You would be asked again, where do you want to save it? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in the next one.